Students, studies have shown that cognitive development as well as intellectual development is comparatively faster in mother tongue. If mother language the students read, then their intellectual development becomes faster. Students succeed in a faster rate if they learn through mother language because they understand things in a better way, and so better connection happens with our own culture. Language, the most important way to keep our culture alive. Our culture remains with us, and only when we talk in our own language, because we better understand our culture through our own language. So mother tongue helps us to know our own culture in a easier manner, in a better way. Actually, it helps learn another language. It is believed that Sanskrit happens to be the mother language of all the Indians. Thereafter, all the different languages have come up actually in subsequent time. So, if it is now proved actually scientifically also, the research scholars they have proved that if we learn our own language, that is first language, that is our mother tongue, so subsequently it becomes very easy for us to learn many more languages. So if we learn Sanskrit, then it becomes very easy for us to learn English. If we know how to pronounce Sanskrit properly, then we can easily learn English. And now that is why in the Western countries, now Sanskrit is adopted in almost all schools as well as universities. Whereas it is very sad and sorry figure that we all think that Sanskrit is an outdated language and we don't require to learn that language, which is having our own culture and heritage. So we must all pay respect to this language, and before it becomes extinct, we should all give importance to this great language of our own land and learn it. So knowing one language is a matter of pride actually. If we know our own mother language, whichever is your mother language, whether it is Odia, it is Bengali, it is Marathi, it is whichever Gujarati, that your mother tongue, learning your own mother tongue is a pride that makes you proud actually. It boosts one's confidence level increases, and it creates awareness in the individual's mind while also helping them connect with their cultural identity, cultural heritage in a better manner. So mother language is a huge positive influence in defining the personality of an individual. So mother tongue or mother language develops our personality, children. So when we know our language properly and we can express ourselves through our emotions, our intellectual label, everything, our mind, then we express that in a much better way. So that is why it is fantastic to know our own language. Children, all of us, we know the story of Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu successfully penetrated the Chakravyuha. All of you know that. He could enter, but he could not come out. That is why he was killed by the Maharathis. But how did he know about it? When he was in the mother's womb, that time only when Subhadra was listening about Chakravyuha by Arjuna, the child was in the mother's womb, and the child listened to all this and learned everything. So he heard it and got familiar while in the mother womb only. So the research scholars now they have proved actually the prenatal education comes very comfortably, and the child learns very, and mother language plays a very important role even when the child is in the mother's womb to shape the child's personality, thought, and life. That is why it is always told that the mother language when the baby is in the mother's womb, that shapes the personality. Mother is the first to talk to the baby. That is why this is called mother language. UNESCO has rightly said that our beliefs, values, and identity are embedded in our mother language only. Language is the chief means and index of a nation, said by Swami Vivekananda. The language, the mother language, the more we use it, the more we develop, and our nation develops, our culture, our heritage, everything develops. So, hence, children in today's India, it is found that we are learning English. That is good. We express English is necessary for us actually in order to communicate. But now it is found that our children are moving much away from their mother tongue. And in somehow we are responsible, we parents are responsible towards that, because we always give importance if a child speaks fluent English, not his or her mother tongue, then parents become very proud that my child can speak English, but my child may not speak mother tongue, doesn't matter. So the child moves away from his own culture, his own tradition, his own heritage. He doesn't like anymore his own language and the songs and everything. He's moving away from his own culture, parents. So, hence, learning English does not mean the child must be moving away from his own language. Let us all see that our children learn the mother tongue first. Our children love their mother tongue. Then, second language is English. So, it is not only an emotion to learn mother language, not that we become emotional, but there is a huge body of research evidence says it is important for the psychological and personality development when we speak through mother language. A direct connection is established between the brain and the tongue. It helps in creative thinking, imagination. The creativity of the child becomes more and more when the child learns through the mother language. Hence, our new education policy gives stress on early education through mother tongue. Now they are making it that up to standard 5, all the students must learn through their own mother tongue, not through English. No worries about learning English. So many people, they have not never gone to English medium schools, but they have become IAS officers, scientists, research scholars, doctors, engineers, politicians, everything. And they learn how to speak English very soon. So it is not necessary that only English learning is going to make or build the future of the children. No worries about learning English. Easily, a child can learn English after 4 to 5 years. So, mother language teaches us our culture, tradition, our cuisine. So, if we are not understanding our own language, so we are away from our culture. We are away from our culture means we are away from our cuisine, our food. Our food we are away from means our health also goes down, because we don't eat our own cuisine, beautiful Indian cuisine, and then we are for this fast food, etc. So then we are not going to have good health. If we are not having good health, we are away from happiness. So, children, you understood? Our mother tongue is related to our own happiness. So that is why our mother tongue, when you learn, then you learn your culture, your tradition, your food habits, your cuisine, and you are proud of all of this, and then you really become a fantastic, cultured human being. So, mother language teaches us all these things. That's why today is a very important day, children. Let us take a promise that we should all learn mother language. ତ ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟିକେ ମୋର ମାତୃଭାଷାରେ ଟିକେ କଥା କହେ। जेहेतु पिला माने बहुत किछि भाषा आम विद्यालय अछंती तेणु मु इंग्राजी रे मातृभाषार महत्व समस्त को कहूली। निजर संस्कृति निजर धरोहर निजर माटी माँ सहित आम जदि मिसवाई चाहूचे ताहले आम निज मातृभाषा को निहाती भाव में आपणेवा को चेष्टा करने कथा। मातृभूमि मातृभाषा ममता जाहृदे जनमी नाही ताकू जदि ज्ञानी गणरे गणिबा अज्ञानी रहिबे काई। ये तो एक महान कविंकर महान शब्दावली। तेणु से ठीक भाव में कहते आम जदि निज मातृभाषा एवं मातृभूमि को आम सम्मान न दिए मातृभाषा आम निजे न जानिबा न पढ़िबा ताहले आम किभली भाव में निजको ज्ञानी बोली मन करिबा। केवल किछि पाठ पढ़िकी किछि मार्क रखिदेले जे आम ज्ञानी हो जिबा ता आदौ नुह। तेणु वर्तमान आज जो ओडिया भाषा समग्र भारतवर्ष में प्रचलित 6टी शास्त्रीय भाषा मध्य ओडिया भाषा अन्यतम। तेणु आम खूब गर्व करने कथा। 2200 वर्षर एक विराट इतिहास रही ओडिया भाषार। आम यही भाषा भाषी बोली निहाती निजको गर्व करने कथा। तेणु वर्तमान आम ओडिया भाषा को शिखिबा जानिबा पढ़िबा तार गौरव तार ऐतिह्य तार पुराण तार शास्त्र जहाँ किछि ए ओडिया भाषा रे रही ताकू जानिबा को निहाती चेष्टा करिबा। ओडिया भाषा रे कथा कही आमे गर्व अनुभव करिबा। मते दुख लगे जे आजिर ओडिया पिला माने जेतेबेले इंग्राजी माध्यम रे पाठ पढुचंती राउरकेला रे जदि आमे देखिबा ताले पिला माने जेतेबेले दुईटी ओडिया पिला एकाठी हुअंती से माने हिंदी रे कथा हुअंती नहले से माने इंग्राजी रे कथा हुअंती से माने ओडिया भाषा रे कथा हुअंती नाही अनेक समय रे। एवं तांकु लागे जे ओडिया भाषा रे आमे कथा कहिले बोधहुए एक लज्जाजनक कथा एवं ताहा गभीर भाव में मते मर्माहत करे। एवं मते मो सह समस्त ओडिया भाषाभाषी जेते अभिभावक अछंती मो समस्त को निवेदन करी जे निज पिला माननकु ओडिया भाषा रे कथा कहवा शिखांतु निज मातृभाषा को शिखांतु। निज मातृभाषा को जदि से माने भल भाव में शिखि पारिबे ताहले अति सहजरे से माने इंग्राजी को मध्य अख्तियार करिवे एवं इंग्राजी रे कथा कहिबे कोनोसी असुविधा हेबा नाही। मु मध्य इंग्राजी साहित्य रे पाठ पढ़ी एवं मते इंग्राजी कहिबारे कौनसी कष्ट अनुभूत हुए नाही। किंतु मु मोर भाषा को भल पाए मोर संस्कृति को भल पाए। प्रत्येक पिलांकर जेतेबेले आमे जन को एजुकेटेड बोली कहिबा बा पाठ पढ़ी ज्ञानी बोली कहिबा सेतेबेले से प्रथमे निज मातृभाषा को भल भाव में जानिथिबा दरकार। तेणु एठी आमर जेते अभिभावक बा आमे माने आम पिला माननको आमे शिखेइबा बा कहिबा जे आम भाषा रे से माने सिनेमा देखंतु आम भाषा रे नाटक देखंतु आम भाषार कविता पढ़ंतु आम भाषार गल्प पढ़ंतु आम भाषा रे फकीरमोहन सेनापतिंकर गल्प समस्त गल्प से माने पढ़ंतु प्रतिभा रायंकर प्रत्येक गल्प पढ़ंतु। आमे जेतेबेले हाई स्कूल रे छात्र छात्री थिलु बा कॉलेज रे पढ़ुतलु आमे ओडिया भाषार केते गल्प उपन्यास पढ़ी से भितरे ही आमको आम भितरे से जीवन प्रति भल पाइबा से शिखई बा भरी देछि। केवल आमे अनेक बही पढ़ीचु एवं निज भाषा रे। तेणु आम भाषार पाला आम भाषार दासकाटिया आम भाषार संस्कृति आम भाषार गाँ गहलर जो भाषा रही ताकू जदि आम पिला माने न जानिबे बा आमे तांकु न दबा ताहले आमे तांकु ए जो पाठ पढ़ौछे बा आमे तांकु जो शिक्षा दौछे तार कौनसी यथार्थता रहिबा नाही। तेणु आज आंतर्जातिक मातृभाषा दिवस रे मु समस्त अभिभावक को निवेदन करी पिला मानक मध्य मु कहिबी पिला माने तमे जो भावुच जे आमे पाठ पढ़ुचु ट्यूशन जाउचु स्कूल जाउचु आम पाखरे समय नाही भाषा विषय कौनसी बही पढ़िबा यह एक भूल धारणा। आम पाखरे यथेष्ट समय अच्छी आमे मोबाइल रे गेम खेलुचु ठीक अच्छे मोबाइल रे तुमे आज जाओ फेसबुक को जाओ देखिब शह शह ओडिया गल्प कविता सेठी आसुची एवं बहुत समस्त जिते बड़ बड़ गाल्पिक ओडिया भाषा साहित्य अच्छा औपन्यासिक अच्छा सबकि सेठी मध्य अच्छी। तेणु जदि तुमे मोबाइल माध्यम किसी देखिब ताले भल कथा देख तांकु पढ़ तांकु जान ताले तुमे तुम माटीर कहानी जानीपर माटीर कथा जानीपर एवं गर्व अनुभव कर जे मु ओडिया। तेणु आज मातृभाषा दिवस रे समस्त जेते भाषाभाषी व्यक्ति को शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी एंड आई अपील टू all the people, all the parents, please teach your mother tongue to your child and let the child feel happy, because the national education policy very soon is going to teach through mother tongue. Mother tongue will be very, very important, and if a child learns it, the child will learn and a lot of things in this world. So hence I wish everybody to develop love and dedication towards his or her own mother tongue. Have a wonderful day, children. God bless you. Thank you.